We will do its grammar portion. Okay, chapter is complete. Anything you want to ask from this chapter? कुछ पूछना है आपको चैप्टर से? Chapter is understood. Shall we move ahead? आगे चले. Chapter is completely understood. Yes, Karthik and Party. Yes. Have you understood the chapter? Chapter समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we move ahead? आगे चले? चले आगे? Okay. Sentence structure, okay, as written on the board. Today we are going to do sentence, okay. First of all, let me ask from Mehak. 105 is, Mehak, what is a sentence? Mehak, what is a sentence?
Yes, ma'am. A sentence is a group of words put together to convey an idea, event of
Description. Okay. Please, मुझे इसको simple words में बताओ. Tell me this thing in simple words. What do you mean by a sentence? What is a sentence? Abhi line, first line is written on this page number 93. You have read from that, but don't read from there. Okay. You just tell me a simple definition. What is a sentence? एक simple सी definition बताओ मुझे.
A sentence is a group of words.
A sentence is a group of words. Okay. If I say like this, good is girl, Mehak, is it a sentence? Then is it a sentence? क्या ये sentence है? If I say this thing, good is girl, Mehak, then tell me it is a sentence or it is not a sentence. Mehak, why you are unmuting yourself? Your turn is going on ना, तो आप क्यों mute करो? Unmute करो खुद को. करो unmute. Mehak 1058.
Yes.
बेटे your Karthik.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mehak, your turn is going on. Don't mute yourself, okay? Now, Mehak, you tell me, if I say this thing, girl is good, Mehak, is it a sentence?
No, ma'am. Jैसे ma'am, it is good in history. It is a sentence, and good is not a sentence.
I didn't get it what you said. Listen this thing. When I said that Mehak, okay, Mehak is a good girl, it is a sentence. कि क्यों sentence है? Because words are arranged. Okay, words ऐसे arranged हैं that
good is not a sentence.
Listen, Rita.
Ma'am, good is not a sentence. When we say he is a good in history, this is a sentence. Good is not a sentence. Good is a word.
Okay. What complex answer you are giving me? Very complex answer. I got confused. Wait a minute. मैंने simple से question पूछा था महक कि suppose महक मैं ऐसा बोलूँ कि good is girl महक तो ये sentence है. Then you must have said no ma'am, it is not a sentence. क्यों sentence दिया? Because in this words are not arranged properly. Words arranged नहीं है properly. आगे पीछे words हैं. Okay, hodgepodge is there, words are not arranged, so it is not a sentence. What is a sentence? Mehak is a good girl. Why it is a sentence? Because in its words are arranged first of all, and they are conveying some meaning. वो कुछ बता रहे हैं आपको कि Mehak is a good girl. It means Mehak एक अच्छी लड़की है. Okay. Okay. Now अगर तो ये sentence हुआ. Got it? क्यों
words बड़े good is a word. Good is a word, and the sentence is it is good in history and English.
Okay. Now, when I said this thing that good is girl में है, तो ये कोई sentence नहीं है. क्यों? इसमें आपको कोई meaning clear नहीं हो रहा है. तो sentence क्या होता है? Sentence होता है which sentence is a group of words which are arranged properly so that they can convey proper meaning. बस इतना सा sentence है. If somebody asks you like this, and what is a sentence? तो sentence क्या होता है? Group of words which are arranged properly so that they can convey some meaning. ताकि उनको कोई meaning लिखे. अगर suppose ऐसे the sun rises in the east means सूरज पूरब में उगता है. Okay. And if I say rises in is the sun, so this is not a sentence. Kyun? Words are arranged here properly. Okay. Now, today we are going to read about sentences. Okay. Simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, compound complex sentence. Your page number 93. Page number 93. Okay. Take out this page number 93. This part ka is 1176 will read.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, page number. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
93. Sentence
93. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, sentence structure.
Start from the beginning. A sentence
Yes,
is a group of words. यहाँ से करो.
Yes, ma'am. Sentence structure. A sentence is a group of words put together to convey an idea, event, or description. A sentence contains a subject and a verb. A sentence is broadly classified as follows. A simple sentence consists of one subject and a verb is an independent cause. A compound sentence consists of two or more independent or principal causes. A complex sentence consists of two or more causes where one of the causes is independent and the other is independent or subordinate causes.
Clause, okay? It is clause. CLAUSE, clause. Clause is a group of that is having a subject and a verb, okay? फिर compound complex is
compound complex sentence consists of two or more principal causes and one or more subordinated causes.
Okay, okay. Part guys, so good. Now, simple sentence you have read. Okay, simple sentence. First of all, what is the difference between? Okay, before doing this, let me ask you this thing. That what is the difference between subordinate and principal clause? Subordinate and main clause. What is the difference? क्या difference होता है? दिव्यांशी कश्यप 1217. Divyanshi.
Yes, ma'am.
But what is the difference? What is the difference between subordinate and principal clause? Principal clause is also known. Listen, please. Whose mic is on?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Divyanshi.
Divyanshi ka mic on. Voice is coming from Divyanshi's house. Okay, listen, beta. Subordinate clause also called as dependent clause. ठीक है? Subordinate को हम dependent बोलते हैं. Principal clause. The principal and this is ये principal और आप इसको subordinate. One is principal, other name is subordinate. Subordinate is also known as dependent. Paper me dependent was written on the question. Still students have written its spelling wrong. मैंने तो marks काट दिए आपके. Question में अगर लिखा है still you are not able to write it the proper word then I have deducted marks. Dependent. Principal को हम main clause भी बोलते हैं and we also call it independent clause. Okay? Independent.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम मुझे कॉल आ गई थी. मैम रिपीट कर दो जो आपने पढ़ाया है.
अभी तो बेटा कुछ नहीं पिछला थोड़ा सा करवाया and then I told about a sentence. Sentence is a group of words which are arranged properly so that they can convey proper meaning. Okay, ताकि उनका कोई meaning निकल सके. Now, before doing our sentence structure, first of all, let us brush up this principal and subordinate clause. Principal clause को हम Principal clause is also called as main clause. It is also called as independent clause. Subordinate clause को हम dependent clause भी बोलते हैं. Now, what is a clause? Clause क्या होता है? Group of words which has a subject and verb. Okay? Group of words होते हैं जिसका subject और verb होता है. अब principal clause क्या होता है? Principal clause जो होता है that is a group of words. It is a clause It is a group of words which can stand alone in a sentence. जो अकेला sentence में खड़ा हो सकता है and it conveys proper meaning. वो principal clause हुआ. Subordinate clause. Yes, Vanshika has raised her hand. Yes, Vanshika. Vanshika ने hand raised की है.
Subordinate clause, ma'am,
Subordinate.
which contain subject and verb and cannot stand alone.
Which cannot stand alone in a sentence. It has to depend on the main clause. ठीक है, जो subordinate clause होता है वो अकेला sentence में खड़ा नहीं हो सकता है. It doesn't convey the proper meaning. It has to depend on this principal clause to convey its proper meaning. तो उसको हम subordinate clause बोलते हैं. Principal clause can stand alone in a sentence. It conveys the proper meaning. Subordinate clause, it can't convey the proper meaning. It has to depend on this clause. Okay. First sentence. First is simple sentence. Okay. अब ये simple sentence क्या होता है? Look at this simple sentence. Simple sentence क्या होता है? It consists of one subject and a verb. Means it is a clause. अगर subject है verb है, it is a clause. Simple sentence which has an independent clause. जिसमें एक independent clause हो, that is a simple sentence. Okay. Look at this example. Meera leaves for school at 7. अब ये simple sentence है. Why it is a simple sentence? Because इसमें एक subject है Meera. Subject जो काम करता है Meera. और verb है leaves. So and it और अपनी sense बना रहा है. Means ये independent clause है. तो simple sentence क्या होता है? In which it has one independent clause. वो आपका simple sentence हो गया. Okay. Simple sentence में क्या होगा? एक subject होगा, एक verb होगा, one means one independent clause होगा simple sentence में. Compound में क्या होगा? Compound में two or more independent clauses होंगे. Okay, compound में two or more independent clauses होंगे. Look at the example which is given. Meera leaves for school at 7. Her brother leaves at 6. अब देखो ये two principal clauses है. क्यों? Meera leaves for school at 7. Meaning is clear. Okay, Meera subject है, verb है. Then her brother leaves at 6. अब ये भी convey कर रहा है आपको proper meaning कि brother जो 6 पर चला जाता है. And they are joined by this but से जुड़े हैं. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Compound sentences कौन से sentences होते हैं? Where there are two independent clauses and they are joined by a coordinating conjunction. A coordinating conjunction होती है fan voice. ये coordinating conjunctions है आपकी fan voice. Okay. अब मैं let me take screenshots. फिर मैं आपसे पूछती हूँ. Noise is coming. Anshul, 1174, mute yourself. Oh, mute yourself. Now, simple sentence got it. जिसमें one independent clause होगा. Because आगे exercise and you have to do that exercise. So listen to me carefully. अक्षय चौधरी, look at the board. तुम कोई आंसर नहीं करते हो. रिया, Mehak 10, Akshay 1722. Look at the board. Simple sentence also which has one independent clause means एक subject verb होगा and it will convey the proper meaning. Compound होगा जिसमें more than two होंगे या more than two principal clauses होंगे. वो क्या बन गया आपका compound. जैसे look at the example. अब Meera leaves for school at 7. Meera भी subject है, verb भी है और it is conveying its proper meaning. तो ये simple sentence है क्योंकि one independent clause है. Second में देखो Meera leaves for school at 7. One principal clause. Her brother leaves at 6. Second principal clause. And they have joined by but means compound sentence में coordinating conjunction के साथ दो independent clauses they are. Come to the third. अब complex sentences क्या होते हैं? जहां पे two or more clauses हो and one subordinate clause हो. एक्सरसाइज करेंगे तब आपको क्लियर होगा. ऐसे आपको स्टोरी लग रही है ये. Okay, when we will do exercise, then it will be more clear to you. Complex sentence consists of two or more clauses, where one of the clauses is independent and the other is dependent. Okay. कॉम्प्लेक्स क्या हुआ? जिसमें एक इंडिपेंडेंट होगा, दूसरा डिपेंडेंट होगा। यहां तक तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। सिंपल में वन इंडिपेंडेंट होगा, कंपाउंड में टू और मोर देन टू इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेस होंगे, कॉम्प्लेक्स में वन इंडिपेंडेंट होगा, अदर सबऑर्डिनेट होगा। ओके, नेक्स्ट लास्ट इज कंपाउंड कॉम्प्लेक्स। कंपाउंड कॉम्प्लेक्स में क्या होगा? वन इंडिपेंडेंट होगा, टू और मोर देन टू जो होंगे वो सबऑर्डिनेट होंगे। नाउ कम टू प्रैक्टिस जोन 2। टेक योर पेंसिल्स विद यू। ये क्लियर हुआ? कुछ समझ में आया आपको? हर्षिता 3046, हर्षिता 3046। बेटा अगर आपने बोला कि समझ में आया तो मैं आपसे पूछूंगी भी। लिसन दिस थिंग, आई विल आस्क फ्रॉम यू। यामिनी आपको समझ में आया?
यस मैम।
ओके यामिनी, देन प्लीज एक्सप्लेन।
कॉम्प्लेक्स समझा दो।
ओके समझाती हूँ, वेट अ मिनट। ओके यामिनी बोल रही समझ में आ गई। लेट मी आस्क फ्रॉम यामिनी। यामिनी क्या समझ में आया बेटा?
Ma'am, sentences are group of words that are arranged in a order and that convey a meaning. Ma'am, there are 4 types of sentences. Simple sentences. Ma'am, simple sentences consist of independent clause and a subject and a verb. Ma'am, Arun Chaudhary's mic is on.
Anshul 1174. Anshul 1174. Yourself. Yes. Now, beta, listen. Okay, Yamini, good. First of all, I told you these things. The sentences are of 4 types. Okay, Bhavna, listen to me. Bhavna, listen to me. First is simple sentence. Simple sentence कौन सा होता है? जिसमें one independent clause होता है. Got it? अब जैसे example is given. Okay, look at your books. Meera leaves for school at 7. One independent clause है. Okay, so it is a simple sentence. Second, Meera leaves for school at 7, but her brother leaves at 6. अब देखो यहाँ पे 2 independent clauses हैं. Meera leaves for school at 7. One independent clause है, meaning clear कर रहा है. Second, her brother leaves at 6. ये भी meaning clear कर रहा है. Subject है, verb है, and it is conveying the proper meaning. But it is joined by means इसके साथ जुड़ा है, so it is a compound sentence. Third, complex sentence. Example is given. Meera leaves.
First sentence?
That is simple sentence. Next is Meera leaves for school at 7 because her brother comes then. अब देखो इस sentence को. Meera leaves for school at 7. ये principal clause है. अकेला stand हो रहा है. आपको meaning clear है. ठीक है? Then because her bus comes then. अब इसका meaning आपको clear नहीं हो रहा है. Means ये क्या है? Subordinate clause है. तो one independent, other subordinate. Then it is a complex sentence. Okay. Now come to the next. Meera leaves for school at 7 after her brother leaves and she goes by the school bus. अब इसको देखो. Meera leaves for school at 7. ये principal clause आ गया. She goes by the school bus. ये second principal clause हो गया. और एक class में देखो after her brother leaves means ये subordinate clause आ गया. Her brother leaves. So अब compound complex ये बेटा करना पड़ेगा. ये दांत में निकालो कार्तिक एंड पार्टी which those visible on the screen. Okay, Kanishk is sitting with Karthik. Yes, practice zone 2 first part. Practice zone 2 first part. Karthik will tell. Unmute yourself. Full unmute. Practice zone 2. Write down. Practice zone 2. Practice zone 2. Okay, चलो. कार्तिक स्कूल में है तभी बातें कर रहे हैं. कार्तिक.
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
चलो ए पार्ट को रीड करो. Practice zone 2. A part. What is written? First of all, read the question. First of all, read the question. क्या question लिखा है उसको रीड करो.
If it were really possible, I would have done better in required.
First of all, tell me question. Yeah, you have not read this thing. What is written? What we have to do in this question? You have not read this thing. इसको read करो. क्या पूछा है आपसे?
Yes, ma'am. Which of the following sentence in simple, compound, complex, or compound complex?
Okay, A part का क्या होगा बताओ? मैंने आपको समझा दिया. At that time you were not attentive. Now you tell me what will come. आप बताओगे मुझे. I'm asking from Karthik. Yes, Karthik, read it. पहले read करो इसको क्या लिखा है. Read करो इसको.
If it were really possible, I would have done whatever it required.
Yes. What type of sentence it is?
Ma'am, simple.
सिंपल कैसे है बताओ मुझे. सिंपल सेंटेंस कौन सा होता है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेल मी. जब तुम्हें समझा रहे थे आपने समझा नहीं. नाउ यू विल टेल मी. मैं तो किसी का आंसर नहीं बताऊंगी. यू विल टेल. आप बताओगे बच्चे.
कॉम्प्लेक्स. कॉम्प्लेक्स.
पहले कंपाउंड बोल दो फिर सिंपल बोल दो फिर वो नहीं लगा तो कंपाउंड कॉम्प्लेक्स बोल दो वो नहीं लगा तो कोई और. यू आर सेइंग कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस. कार्तिक, इज इट? हाउ इट इज अ कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस? ये बताओ मुझे. कैसे ये कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस है? Those who are sitting with you, उनसे Kanish, yes, you tell me what type of sentence it is. Then Abhishek, Vanshpal, they will tell. कौन सा sentence है? If it were really possible, I would have done it whatever it required. अब ये कौन सा sentence है?
मैम कॉम्प्लेक्स. मैं वंशपाल कॉम्प्लेक्स.
Vanshpal is saying complex. Okay, Vanshpal, how it is a complex sentence? बताओ मुझे. कैसे कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस है? क्या होता है कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस? पहले उसको रीड करो. रीड करो उसको. व्हाट इज अ कॉम्प्लेक्स?
मैं एक कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस consists of two or more clauses where one of the causal is independent and the other is dependent or
okay. Now tell me, कौन सा आपको इंडिपेंडेंट लग रहा है, कौन सा डिपेंडेंट लग रहा है? Yes, Kritik. Your answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Vanshpal, I got the answer. Kritik 1022. Kritik 1022. If it were really possible,
Yes, ma'am.
I would have done it whatever it required. कौन सा सेंटेंस लग रहा है आपको?
मैम मेरे को
कौन सा लग रहा है? क्या लग रहा है आपको? कौन सा सेंटेंस है? देखो उसके पीछे क्या लिखा है. देखो.
यस मैम.
क्या लग रहा है?
मैम कंपाउंड
में टू इंडिपेंडेंट होते हैं. ओके, पहले देखो इसमें टू इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेस हैं.
It would have done whatever it required.
If it were really possible, I would have done it whatever it required. तो ये कौन सा सेंटेंस? ओके, भावना हैज रेज हर हैंड. यस भावना.
Ma'am, compound complex.
कंपाउंड कॉम्प्लेक्स तो यू कांट से. कंपाउंड कॉम्प्लेक्स में क्या होता है बेटा, 2 होते हैं उसमें, 2 इंडिपेंडेंट होते हैं, 1 और 2, वो मोर देन 1 होता है, 2 इंडिपेंडेंट होंगे, 2 सबऑर्डिनेट होंगे. तो ये सिंपल सा देखो, आई वुड हैव डन इट वट एवर इट रिक्वायर्ड. एक आपको इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज लग रहा है? ओके वंशिका, यस यू हैव रेज्ड योर हैंड. यस वंशिका.
Ma'am, it is a compound sentence. Ma'am, because there are two independent sentences.
2 इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेस कौन कौन से हैं?
Ma'am, first, if it were really possible, ma'am, this sentence can stand alone, and it convey a meaning.
It is conveying a meaning if it were really possible. अगर ये सच में possible होता, ये तुम्हें convey कर रहा है meaning. If it were really possible, ये आपको लग रहा है meaning clear कर रहा है? नहीं कर रहा है ये, तो it is a complex sentence, okay? क्यों? क्योंकि one is independent, I would have done it whatever it required, and second, if it were really possible. तो ये क्या है? Complex है, okay? B, Mehak 981.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mehak, what is B? B बहुत easy है.
We went for an ice cream after we had dinner.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Mehak. We went for an ice cream after we had dinner. It is a simple sentence. क्यों simple है? देखो बेटा, we went for an ice cream और we had dinner. Okay. But fanboys में A जो है वो and के लिए होता है, तो it is a simple sentence. B को लिखो simple. महक, what about C? C क्या है महक? C को read करो.
yes, ma'am. You never really succeed until you work hard in a compound.
You never succeed until you work hard in earnest. Okay. अब ये कौन सा sentence है महक?
Compound.
बेटे देखो कंपाउंड सेंटेंस होगा, they will be joined with the coordinating conjunction, means वो fan boys होगा उनके बीच, for and nor but or yet so होगा उनके बीच. Okay, but you never really succeed. Okay, you work hard in earnest, ये आपका independent clause हो गया. You never really succeed. अब proper meaning clear कर रहा है, see this, ये proper meaning clear कर रहा है आपको. You never really succeeded.
No.
बट उसके साथ ये सबऑर्डिनेट मीन्स एक प्रिंसिपल हुआ, एक सबऑर्डिनेट हुआ. सो ये कौन सा सेंटेंस हो गया? ये कौन सा सेंटेंस हो गया? इट इज अ, यस महक, इट इज अ कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस. ओके, सी क्या है? कॉम्प्लेक्स है. डी, दिव्यांग आनंदी 1033. डी.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it takes about half a liter of water to cook and
Suffocate.
about half a liter of
Suffocate,
water
a type of macaroni. Okay, suffocate is written. It takes about half a liter to cook of water to cook suffocate and about half a liter of water to clean the pot. Okay, yes. अब आनंदी देखो इसको कौन सा सेंटेंस है?
compound.
कंपाउंड है. कैसे कंपाउंड है? एक 1 इंडिपेंडेंट आया. It takes a liter of water to cook spaghetti, about half a liter of water to clean the pot. और ये and के साथ they have joined, means fan boys के साथ लगे, तो it is a compound sentence. Write down compound. Compound. अब write down E. E, Anandi will tell. E, Anandi जरा जल्दी करो. 2 minutes are there and I want it to be completed. E.
Spending time with the family is a fantastic way to celebrate before Christmas.
Okay, it is a simple sentence. It is a simple sentence. Okay. Akshay Chaudhary, F part.
Yes, ma'am.
F part.
Genetics
Genetics.
explain why you look
like your parent? And if you don't, why you should?
Okay, what type of sentence it is? कौन सा sentence लग रहा है तुम्हें? Genetics explain why you look like your parents. Independent clause. If you don't, why you should. अब ये क्या लग रहा है तुम्हें? Meaning clear कर रहा है कि नहीं clear कर रहा है? बेटा ये पढ़ना पड़ेगा. आप ऐसे सोचोगे कि बस हो गया तो एक्सरसाइज में तुम्हें आ नहीं रहा है. ये सब चीजें आ गई. ओके. Yes, Yamini.
Compound sentence.
It is a compound sentence, okay? क्योंकि one वो है, दूसरा subordinate है, तो it is a compound. G. Anandi 10. Anandi, your turn has happened. Okay, Divyanshi Kashyap 1217. Divyanshi. H.
Yes, ma'am.
It is very easy. Oh. No,
To
G.
succeed in sport, it is often necessary to raise above your laziness. Ma'am, simple.
Okay. To succeed in sports, it is often necessary to rise above all. देखो बेटा, इसमें two जो है, देखो, two independent clauses. देखो, first to succeed in sports. To succeed in sports ये आपको नहीं clear कर रहा है? नहीं कर रहा है. Succeed in sports क्या बता रहा है आपको? Meaning clear नहीं कर रहा है. It is often necessary ये independent clause है. तो one subordinate दूसरा independent, so it is a compound sentence. Okay? Compound. H. Divyanshi. Holding hands together is only the beginning of